Hello and welcome to the class. This is me, Arbaz Khan, your English language teacher. Today class is going to be more interesting and engaging. In previous classes we have done with the all basic aspects of a language, that is reading, writing, listening and speaking, and also the very basic thing, that is grammar. But in today class you might have guessed exactly, we will do it practically. So dear students, make yourself ready. I want your full attention for today class. Before moving on to class, let me share a few objectives of today class. Today class is about pronunciation. After the class, you will be able to pronounce different words while paying attention to every single sound. Along with this, students will be able to differentiate between different similar sounds, that which we are so called homophones. Add to this, I will teach you about how to use technology for improving your pronunciation. The main outcomes will be that to engage students in pronunciation actively, to pronounce words accurately, to focus on every sounds, like you face difficulty in a pa sound and a sound, you have to focus on that every sound, to practice different and difficult pronunciation by your own. For a fruitful results, all the students are directed to follow a set of instructions that are: listen me carefully. Like I am pronouncing the words, listen me carefully, pay attention to every single pronunciation I am uttering. Follow me step by step. Everyone will try to pronounce with me. Like I am pronouncing a word, you have also to pronounce it by yourself with a loud sound. It's like a practice for you. For today class, now open your computer. I have given you the lists of online websites and online dictionaries. There's like Cambridge Online Dictionary, online websites for speaking and listening like talkenglish.com and eslab.com. Online pronunciation websites is also present on your computers. Phonetic chart is in your computers. You have also access to the internet. So let's start the class. Now open your computers, connect it to the internet, visit the websites I have mentioned earlier to you. Search selected words. Like I have given the chart of selected words and the blackboard. Now search the selected words from the list. I will pronounce it in front of you, and you have to also search it and listen it from your computer. Then you have to try it by yourselves. It is like a practice for you to improve your pronunciation skills, like how to pronounce word correctly. Like many of us don't know bilabial, biogential sounds. So you have to focus on every and each sounds of the pronunciation. I think we have done with the instruction, objectives, and model. Now it's time to do some teamwork. Now I'm going to divide all of the class into equal numbers. That is a 4 number. Every group will be having a one leader. He will be acting like a teacher. To the whole class, divide to groups. Each member of the group has to pronounce the words to the other members. He has memorized, he has learned in today class. But focus on that an instruction that every pronunciation of one member may be different from the pronunciation of another member. It is to learn more things in a very short time spent. If there is any difficulty you facing in pronunciation the word, if in a phonetic chart you face any difficulty, or like you have issue in this internet or like searching websites, ask me. I'm here by your side every time. So I think we have done with the guided practice. Now it's time to do something individually. To create your to boost up your creativity, I want you to do something by yourself. Everyone is directed to choose at least 5 words randomly from your vocabulary, and search those 5 words on the websites I have given you, and now memorize them. And after memorization of that specific pronunciation, everyone will be given a chance to present it to the whole class. So the other members will also know about the typical pronunciation you have learned. It is for the purpose to do something individually, and the other students have to learn something from your side. So that's all about our today class. Now to check the outcomes of our today class and to check how good teacher I am. It's time for your test, like assessment form. Wind up everything, shut down your computers. Now, to see the outcomes of today class, I'm going you to ask about pronunciation randomly. I am putting the phonetic chart in one side. I'm shutting your computers. Now I'm going to ask about the pronunciation randomly. If any student has any difficulty in pronunciation and he don't know about the pronunciation, the other students in the class, like he or she know about the pronunciation, about the use of about the correct utterance, update word, he or she might also engage theirself. He might she also tell theirself if any student is failed to pronounce at least 5 words to give the assessment very goodly, I am going to punish him by doing 5 sit stands in the whole front of class. So are you ready? Let's go. I think we have done with the today class. We have done a lot of things in today class. Now goodbye, see you next class. Thank you.